Shoppies, welcome back to my channel right here. And as you can see from the title, this is gonna be a mini review on the Ordinary Niacinamide Serum right here. Okay, so medyo nirenovate yung likod likod ko ngayon. So Christmas came early, I guess. I don't know. So before we go and tackle everything up, I'm gonna remind you to give this video, of course, an old thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. And of course, kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe, subscribe down below and be part of this insane squad that we have here. And of course, ring that notification bell and be notified with everything that is happening on this side of the tube. So, without further ado then, I have my notebook in here dahil sinulat ko lahat ng mga points na kailangan kong sabihin sa inyo guys para wala akong malimutan, of course. But we're gonna go through all these points that we have here. Of course, magkakaroon ako ng clips of how I put it on my face and what it looks like. So, it was supposed to be my sister's. Siya dapat ang gagamit nito. Like, kung napanood yung Revitaglow video na yun, which I uploaded roughly 2 weeks ago. That's when I started using niacinamide. Actually, hindi ko siya dapat gagamitin, di ba? Because of the vitamin C na meron yung Revitaglow. But, something happened and I had to stop using Revitaglow and I have to use this. Not really, but I tried using this kasi wala na akong maisip na iba pang ilagay sa irritation nung mukha ko. So my sister said, use this. So I did. And ginagamit ko siya morning and evening. Yeah, so let's go to this. So in order to, of course, ng sister ko again, sa SHOPEE, which will go through. So, this is 590 with shipping sa SHOPEE, and it is 30 ml. And I'm telling you, this is gonna last you for a very long while. So, tatlo kami babae dito, tatlo kami gumagamit. And it lasted us probably, siguro aabot pa to ng a week. A week. So, probably 3 weeks to 4 weeks kung tatlo kayo. Pero kung mag-isa ka lang, siguro baka mga 2 months ka bago mo ito maubos. What can you say about my face right now? It is in the best condition that I can ever imagine it. Kasi hindi ko na alam kung paano ako naka-move on dun sa ginawa ng Revitaglow sa mukha ko. Pero this helped me out a lot. So, before we go to everything, let's go to, I guess, the pros of getting the Ordinary Niacinamide. So, this is all based on what I felt on my skin. So, syempre, iba-iba pa rin tayo ng balat. So, of course, like I said, it helped relieve lahat ng irritation na meron ako sa balat ko noon because it's like an allergic reaction. Sobrang hapdi ng balat ko and sobrang as in kati niya everywhere. Like, sobrang asarap niya kamutin, tapos mamumula siya, then magkakaroon ng bumpies. Kinalma niya yung balat ko, of course. And hindi na siya, well, almost a week, pag hindi pa rin ako naglalagay nito, naramdaman ko pa rin yung pangangati. Pero over time, na-rejuvenate niya yung balat ko and hindi ko na naramdaman yung makakati na yun na gustong-gusto kong kamutin. Help minimize my pores like a lot, especially in this area since nandito yung talagang problem area on this part of my face. Pero as you can see right now, hindi para siyang poreless, and even if you zoom in on my face, there's still nandun pa rin yung pores pero hindi na siya katulad ng dati na sobrang visible siya. It helped it minimize a little bit. And over time, I guess, sana mas lumit po yung pores ko. It brightened my skin. Kasi after that Revitaglow video, I have burn marks on my face. And parang sobrang dull and peeling ng mukha ko, and it helped The Ordinary, helped brighten my skin up. As you can see, mukha siyang healthy and of course glowing. I have nothing on my face, of course, but this. So, and another thing is it over time eliminates pimple marks, and napansin ko yung pigmentation sa mukha ko, yung mga sunspots that I have, especially on this area. And I have 3 spots on this area, but as you can see, medyo nandun pa rin siya, pero hindi na siya katulad nung dati na sobrang visible. And I have pimple-like marks from before, and it's being eliminated. So, ito, sobrang burned nito, but it kind of lessens over time. Medyo maliit na lang siya. So, last na nakita ko is it helps like unclog your pores after makeup. Therefore, lessens breakouts. Of course, kada lalabas kayo and then magme-makeup kayo, you can put this before your foundation and everything, and then after you cleanse your face, you can use this again, kind of, kasi minsan pag tinake off natin yung makeup natin, parang meron pa rin natitira dun sa mukha natin, sa pores natin. So, this product helps unclog your pores para hindi na tayo magkaroon ng pimples or acne sa future. Let's go to the cons, I guess. Cons. Hindi naman ganun kalaki yung cons. Parang wala mo lang nakikitang sobrang laking disadvantage or con sa kanya. Ang maraming magsasabi is the smell. The smell is not that bad. Medyo amoy siyang raw fish, pero raw fish pero fresh na fish. Hindi siya amoy malansa, pero parang may something siyang amoy na gano'n pag marami kayong nilagay. Obviously, over time, na-dissipate naman yung amoy, so it never really stays on your skin. So, I guess you can go past that. Siguro habang nilalagay mo, wag ka muna huminga. Then, after mong matuyo siya, then, can huminga ulit, of course. Then, the smell is not there anymore. And something that I noticed is that, so this is kind of not your typical water-based serums na ang bilis niya mag-sink in sa skin. With this, you kind of have, parang i-massage nyo siya and i-pat nyo siya so much on your skin. Not too much, pero kasi pag nilagyan nyo siya agad ng moisturizer or anything underneath na hindi pa siya ganun katuyo, it will kind of peel up on you, which I noticed nung naglalagay ako ng moisturizer, just, I guess, minutes or seconds na hindi pa siya sobrang nag-sink in sa balat. So, I would suggest put this on and maybe give it 10 minutes of like patting motions on your face, and it will sink in at hindi na siya magkakaroon ng peeling thing. brain is not functioning. Overall, nako-cover naman yun kasi sobrang great and good for your skin. Yung product, for me, kasi medyo may mga babasa akong review na nagkakaroon pa sila ng purging stage and hindi akma yun sa balat nila. And I have sensitive skin and it works for me. So, I guess, try. Post comments. Very affordable. Very affordable. Like I said, 590 siya. I would buy it again. Actually, umorder na yung sister ko ng dalawa for backup. Ganun namin siya kagusto. And since wala siyang fragrance, sobrang hindi niya mai-irritate yung balat nyo. Binili ng kapatid ko to sa Shopee. I would suggest not buy it on Shopee kasi dumodoble yung presyo nila sa Shopee. So, I would suggest go to Cult Beauty. Nag-ship siya sa Philippines ng products from the UK. Hindi lang The Ordinary yung binibenta doon, pero they have all products of The Ordinary, and honestly, mas mura bumili doon kesa dito sa Philippines kasi dinodoble nila yung price, and it's just not It's not great. Kung makakasave ka pa, mas makakasave ka pa ng money, then go with that. That is everything na I guess masasabi ko dito. This is what I use as moisturizer. This is the Hydro Firming Mist with Collagen and Hyaluronic Acid from Lux Organics. And just spray it on the face. Let it dry and it gives your skin that glow. So, very affordable din. Just siningit ko lang yun doon. But, that is all that I have for you today. And I'm gonna go now because I have to go. Rapid fire, like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so be notified with everything. And I will see you on the next one.